Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Tips and Tricks for Teachers. This month in January, we're going to be looking at how we can find and create characters, because oftentimes students say, I don't know where to start when I'm writing a story. So today I have some special friends with me because a good way to start figuring out who a character might be is to ask some questions, interview them. And the questions can be very simple, or the questions can be a little bit more advanced or silly. So I have my 3 cow friends here with me today. Yes, hello. What is your name, cow number 1?
I'm Sally.
Sally, the cow. And your name, cow number 2?
Birch.
Birch. And your name, cow number 3?
Move.
Move. Okay. And I'm going to ask these 3 cows some questions. Where do you live?
We grew up on the farm right outside town.
Okay. And what do you like to eat?
During the winter we get hay, but during the summer we get fresh green grass.
Okay. And what's your favorite cow sound? Can you say it right to the camera?
Moo.
That's great. Do you have any cow sounds that we don't know that cows make? Any silly cow sounds?
We like to move it. We like to move it. We like to move it.
That's right. And I bet you like to drive a Kawasaki too. Yeah. Anyway, so what is your favorite thing to do for fun?
We just run around town, to be honest.
Cows on the loose running around in town? Ooh, that sounds fun. Does anybody try and catch you ever?
Nah.
So if you were creating a story about a cow, it could be a cow on the move, a cow that runs around town, cows that like to eat grass. Suddenly you're getting a story. Wonder if there are any other animals around here that might like to be interviewed. Do you see? Where? Hello? Where? Oh, yeah. Oh, hello. It's the 3 pigs.
No,
1,
no.
2, 3, 4 pigs.
Hi.
Hi. I'm going to ask you 4 pink pigs some of the same questions we asked the cows.
Ooh, exciting.
Yes. So where do you live?
We live at the same farm as the cows.
Oh, are you guys friends with each other?
Yay!
Oh, so maybe it could be a story about the cows and the pigs who are friends with each other. And what do you eat?
We mostly eat candy and drink Coca-Cola.
Candy and Coca-Cola drinking pigs? That's an interesting character. And what sound do you make? Oh, that's a good sound.
That's my favorite sound.
That's a very nice sound. It sounds like you have a cold and you're cleaning out your noses.
Yes.
And what do you like to do for fun?
We like to go to the pool and work out at the gym.
Really? So you're pigs with muscles?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
We do CrossFits on Tuesdays.
CrossFit Tuesdays. Oh, so if you're at the gym this Tuesday, maybe you'll see some pigs there working out. Yeah. And is there anything that you're afraid of, pigs?
I'm afraid of spiders.
Spiders.
Yes, they are so scary.
So imagine pigs that work out at the gym, that like to swim, that are afraid of spiders. Suddenly you have a very interesting character. And if you're creating a story, it could be about the cows and the pigs on the farm, and maybe something that happens when a spider or something else scary comes along. Like a crocodile. I think this interview is over.